everyone, welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most insane combinations of power, luxury, and pure trucking heritage. The 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome. This beast is built on the legendary W900 chassis, known for its long nose style and old-school charm. But this time, it's been transformed into a rolling luxury home on wheels. For those who want to hit the open road without giving up comfort or attitude, this is the rig you've been waiting for. Under the hood, we've got a massive 15-liter Cummins X15 engine, delivering up to 605 horsepower and over 2,000 pound-feet of torque. This motorhome doesn't just drive, it roars down the highway with authority. Whether you're towing a trailer or climbing steep grades, it handles everything effortlessly. Now step inside, and you're greeted by a luxury cabin that feels more like a high-end condo than something attached to a semi-truck. We're talking custom, hardwood floors, leather seating, a full-size kitchen with premium appliances, and even a king-size bed. There's also a fully equipped bathroom with a stand-up shower. Not a cramped corner, but a real residential-style setup. Tech-wise, the 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome is fully loaded. From touch-screen control panels for lighting, temperature, and tank levels to satellite TV, Wi-Fi connectivity, and solar power integration, this rig is designed for true off-grid living with all the modern conveniences. Driving this monster isn't as intimidating as it looks. With air ride suspension, power steering, and advanced driver aids, the W900 Motorhome offers a surprisingly smooth and controlled ride. Plus, with multiple camera systems, parking and maneuvering become a lot easier than you'd expect for something this size. But let's talk about the look. That classic Kenworth chrome grille, long hood, and dual stacks give it the iconic big rig feel, while custom paint jobs and motorhome styling in the rear make it stand out at any RV park or truck stop. Of course, all this doesn't come cheap. Depending on customization, prices can start well over $500,000 and go up fast. But for those who want to travel in unmatched style and power, the 2025 W900 Motorhome is worth every penny. So, if you're ready to live the trucking lifestyle without sacrificing luxury, the Kenworth W900 Motorhome might just be your dream ride. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more unique and powerful vehicle reviews. Only here on Honest Auto Wheels. See you in the next one.